is the flavor of the season. Nothing says winter and the holidays quite like the cool taste of peppermint. And these peppermint patties, they make the flavor of it irresistible. Chef Jeff from Smith's is going to walk us through this recipe as we're kind of getting ready. We are in holiday season mode. What is it about the peppermint patties that you love so much, especially this time of year?
So I just love to share treats like this with the neighbors. In fact, I grew up with my mom would always make like peanut brittle and caramel corn and things like that. And so it was always a tradition to make something nice for the neighbors.
Yeah.
And then we'd always get stuff from the neighbors too. And so this is just a recipe that I love because it's super easy and there's not much to it. Maybe the one ingredient you don't have is maybe peppermint extract. You can find that near the vanilla extract at your local Smith's, so.
Over at Smith's. All right. Okay,
so let's get right to it. So what we have is we're going to start with a bowl of powdered sugar. To that, I'm going to just add some butter, softened butter. This is heavy cream. And then also a little bit of salt. And then last, that peppermint extract. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I love the smell. Just
I know,
that
you
even
cannot
going
get
in.
enough of the peppermint.
Yeah. And so then what
good.
you do is once that's in there is you just take your hand mixer and you just start mixing. What's gonna happen is it's gonna start to get sandy. It's gonna take probably about 2 minutes to actually get where you want to go, and because we don't have the time for that.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Eventually what's gonna happen is it's gonna form kind of like into
This is
a
what we
ball.
want.
And to where you can form it. If, say for instance, you're doing this and it's too dry, just add a little bit more cream. If it's too wet, add a little bit more powdered sugar.
Okay.
But eventually you get to this texture right here, which is what you have here. And then I just take a tablespoon of that mixture and just kind of form a ball. You can see if you can take it out of there now. Just kind of use your thumb to kind of pry it out.
Dig it out a little bit. Okay,
And then once it does come out, then what we're gonna do is, here, and I'll even take this one, is
That's the one you
kind of
started.
form a ball, and then take that ball and just kind of flatten it.
Okay.
And so then this recipe will actually make 30 of these little balls like this. And so then what you do is once you form them, then you're gonna put them in the freezer for about half hour or so.
Okay.
Until they're nice and set and hardened. Then you take a package of white chocolate chips mixed with some coconut oil, put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, stir it 30 seconds, stir it until you have your melted chocolate. And then what we're gonna do is take our patties.
Okay, you got any special trick here?
No trick,
Any way to
I just drop
maneuver
it in there with the fork. Just kind of dip it on both sides like this. And then bring it out, let the excess kind of drain off of it.
Okay.
And then set it on there, and then after that, I'm gonna have you do the fun part, is putting crushed
yes.
candy cane on there.
Love
Just
that.
kind of sprinkle it.
And we were just saying we like the white chocolate, but you can't go wrong with, you know,
You could make
the
this with regular chocolate too. It's not gonna change anything other than the color. And so we'll just.
And
do
how long
another
did you
one of
say
these.
they need to cool in the fridge again?
The initial freeze is 30 seconds or
Okay.
30 minutes in the freezer. Take them out, dip them, and then put them back in the fridge just to harden up. But once they've done that, they'll last for a week in the fridge, longer than that in the freezer. Just a great, easy thing to share with the neighbors, and I have some done
Your
ones here
neighbors will love you, right?
to try it, but I don't think I'll try one.
Should we try one?
Yeah.
I'm going for it. Let's see.
It was super creamy and smooth, and the texture's nice.
I'm telling you, the white chocolate's delicious. All right, where can we find out more, Chef Jeff?
This recipe will be on your website, so go there to find it and go shop at Smith's and treat your neighbors.
Yes, KSLTV.com. Thanks so much, Chef Jeff.